What is the inverse function of zip in Python? Possible duplicate, a transpose/unzip function in Python. I've used the zip function from the numpy library to sort tuples, and now I have a list containing all the tuples. I had since modified that list, and now I would like to restore the tuple so I can use my data. How can I do this?
Should give you the unzipped list. Zipped_list unpacks the zipped_list object. It then passes all the tuples from the zipped_list object to zip, which just packs them back up as they were when you passed them in. So if then zipped_list equals zip a, b, gives you and zipped_list gives you back. Zipping that with zipped_list gives you back the two collections.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.